Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your favorite cup of coffee, and checking your phone only to see that while you were sleeping, money was being deposited into your account. No endless content creation, no customer service headaches, no chasing clients or dealing with shipping logistics, just simple, automated earnings rolling in day and night. Now, imagine doing this not with a complicated business model but with a platform you've probably already used: Pinterest. Pinterest is not just another social media platform. In fact, it's not really a social media platform at all. It's a powerful visual search engine where millions of people go every single day to find inspiration, plan purchases, and discover new products. Unlike Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook where people scroll for entertainment, Pinterest users come with intent. They're actively searching for solutions, ideas, and products they want to buy. And this is where the magic of Pinterest affiliate marketing comes in. Think about this. What if, instead of just pinning your favorite recipes, outfit inspirations, or home decor ideas, you could actually turn those pins into money? What if each pin you create could bring in passive income for months or even years? This is not some secret loophole or gimmick. It's a real proven strategy that thousands of people are using right now to generate income without a huge following, without selling their own products, and without spending money on ads. And the best part, it's easier than you think. Unlike other platforms where you have to constantly create new content and stay visible in order to grow, Pinterest allows you to post a pin once and have it work for you for months or even years. A single pin can drive thousands of visitors to an affiliate link, a blog post, or a product page, turning that traffic into commissions with almost no ongoing effort. So, if you've ever wanted to make money online but felt overwhelmed by the complexity of running a business, Pinterest affiliate marketing might be the perfect solution for you. Maybe you've tried affiliate marketing before but struggled to get traffic. Maybe you've dabbled in Pinterest but never realized its true potential as a money-making machine. Or maybe this is your first time hearing about affiliate marketing at all. No matter where you're starting from, this step-by-step guide is designed to take you from complete beginner to a Pinterest affiliate marketing expert. We'll cover everything from choosing the best affiliate programs to designing eye-catching pins, optimizing for Pinterest SEO, and implementing a strategy that drives consistent traffic and commissions. At its core, affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products using a special link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. Pinterest affiliate marketing is about leveraging Pinterest's massive audience to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Why Pinterest? High buyer intent. People use Pinterest to search for things they actually want to buy. Studies show that 85% of Pinterest users turn to the platform when they're planning a purchase. Longevity of pins. Unlike Instagram posts or tweets that disappear in hours, pins can continue to bring in traffic for months or even years. SEO-friendly. Pinterest works like a search engine. If you optimize your pins correctly, they can rank and show up for relevant searches, bringing in a steady flow of traffic. Free traffic. No need to spend money on ads. Organic Pinterest marketing can drive thousands of visitors without any upfront investment. Step 1. Choosing the right affiliate program. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Choosing the right one is the foundation of your success. What to look for in an affiliate program. High commission rates. Aim for programs that offer at least 10-50 commission per sale. Recurring commissions. Some programs pay you every month as long as the customer keeps using the service. Products people actually search for on Pinterest. Focus on niches like beauty, home decor, personal finance, fitness, and digital products. Best affiliate programs for Pinterest in 2025. Amazon Associates for physical products. Etsy affiliate program, handmade and unique products. ClickBank digital products and courses. ShareASale various brands and categories. Shopify affiliate program, great for business-related niches. Bluehost perfect for the blogging and business niche. Once you've chosen a program, sign up and get your unique affiliate links. Step 2. Finding the right niche. Picking a niche helps you focus your efforts and attract a dedicated audience. Some profitable Pinterest niches include health and wellness, weight loss, healthy recipes, fitness programs, personal finance and budgeting, saving money, side hustles, making money online, home decor and DIY, interior design, furniture, creative crafts, beauty and fashion, makeup tutorials, outfit ideas, skincare. Self-improvement, productivity hacks, habits, motivation. Look for a niche that aligns with popular Pinterest searches and has affiliate products available. Step 3. Creating a Pinterest business account. A business account gives you access to analytics and allows you to claim your website if you have one. Go to Pinterest Business and sign up. Optimize your profile. Choose a clear profile picture, write a compelling bio, and include relevant keywords. Enable rich pins. These pull extra details from your website, making your pins stand out. Create boards for your niche. Name your boards strategically using keywords. Step 4. Designing click-worthy pins. Your pins need to grab attention and make people want to click. Pin design tips. Use vertical images. The best size is 1000 x 1500 pixels. Bright colors and bold fonts. High contrast gets more clicks. Add a call to action. Click to learn more. Use Canva or Photoshop to create stunning designs. Step 5. Writing SEO-friendly pin descriptions. Since Pinterest is a search engine, keywords are everything. Find keywords. Use Pinterest's search bar to see what people are searching for. Write naturally. Include keywords in your pin title and description without stuffing. Hashtags. Pinterest has moved away from hashtags, so focus on keywords instead. Example, 10 budget-friendly home decor ideas you'll love. Get affordable design inspiration with this easy guide. Click to see more. Step 6. Pinning strategy for maximum traffic. How often to pin? Pin 10 to 20 times per day for the best results. Use a mix of fresh and repin content. Best times to pin: morning and evening are peak times. Use Pinterest Analytics to find what works best for you, using Tailwind for automation. Tailwind helps schedule pins and find the best posting times. It's a game changer for scaling your Pinterest traffic. Step 7. Monetizing with affiliate links. Where to place your affiliate links? Directly in the pin URL, only for platforms that allow it. On a blog post or landing page, better for long-term success. Through an email list, a great way to build repeat commissions. Pinterest's rules on affiliate links disclose that your links are affiliate links. Avoid spammy behavior. Pinterest penalizes over-promotion. Final thoughts. Building a successful Pinterest affiliate marketing business doesn't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent and apply the right strategies, you'll start seeing real results. Think of it like planting seeds. Every pin you create, every optimized description you write, and every piece of value you share is a seed planted. Some will sprout quickly, while others will take time to grow. But with patience, your efforts will compound, and soon enough, you'll have a thriving source of passive income. The beauty of Pinterest affiliate marketing is its scalability. Once you master the process, you can expand into multiple niches, experiment with different affiliate programs, and even build a website or an email list to increase your earnings further. And the best part, you don't have to be glued to your screen 24/7. Unlike social media platforms where content disappears within hours, Pinterest works in the background, driving traffic to your links for months, even years. So what's next? Take what you've learned today and start applying it. If you haven't already, set up your Pinterest business account, pick a niche, and sign up for a few affiliate programs. Start small. Focus on creating quality pins that provide real value, and don't worry about getting everything perfect from the beginning. Progress is more important than perfection. There will be moments of doubt, times when growth seems slow, or when you feel like giving up. That's normal. But remember, every successful Pinterest marketer started where you are right now. The only difference between them and those who never make it is persistence. If you stay patient and keep learning, your Pinterest account will become a money-making machine. Imagine the freedom of earning commissions every single day, whether you're working, traveling, or spending time with loved ones. Pinterest affiliate marketing is one of the few online income streams that are beginner-friendly, scalable, and long-term. The potential is massive, but only for those who take action. Will you be one of them? The choice is yours. The opportunity is right in front of you. The only thing left to do is start.